the new Coachman Park. They just redid everything down here. So I'm just doing a quick little tour today. I got some rules up here on the little board.
Let your kids mess up. No popping your pipes.
And there's a map of the area. This little board thing keeps changing. Well, it looks like a nice little area. It's got like a lake and stuff. And, and then we're going to see what we can get into down here. It's very windy, so just excuse the wind.
Briefly for the other video.
And I don't know if you guys can see, but in that distance there's a bridge. And when I did my other driving around Clearwater video, that was the bridge, the Memorial Day one, where I was showing the traffic. That was the bridge we drove over. Oh, it's got the library and Buff Walk. Nice little area down here by the ocean, or the bay that leads out to the ocean. And over here in the distance, let's see if I can zoom in for you guys in a minute. Just give me a second. New camera. Can you guys see that pink building? That's all the way down there by the beach. All those buildings over there are down there by the beach. Alright, I'm going to continue to walk. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's weird weather today. 1 minute it's sunny, 1 minute it's raining.
Florida, mate. This is nice. I like
It's
this.
a nice little area to come down here and walk if you want to come walk. Oh, there's the Clearwater Ferry. There's a sign that says Clearwater Ferry.
Oh, that's where mine is.
I guess this is where you can get the ferry from. I don't know. I don't know how you would get over there. Maybe there's a little bridge or something. Oh, there is a little bridge. They've done a whole lot of improvements to this area. It was like last year was 2 years ago maybe, and they used to put on little marketplaces down here. This used to be a park, and
Down here.
all the marketplaces used to be over in this area over here. And there was none of the sidewalk was here. This was all like grass and gravel and stuff. They've done some major improvements. This is what Florida's taxpayer dollars are going to.
My taxpayer dollars on some sidewalk. What's going on with that?
But it looks like that they have a whole bunch of stuff that you can do around here. It's got the green. They're probably going to start having like movies or concerts.
I did not authorize my tax dollars for that particular tree right there. The other tree, yes, but not that tree.
You see over here, this is an amphitheater over here, so I believe they're gonna have like concerts and stuff in there. And I do see places where you can eat.
Grabbing the
I wonder if these are gonna have
like
a kids play area over here. I'm gonna show you. It looks fun for the kids to do. Even actually the adults, like my grown ass husband.
Oh, he called me a kid.
I'll bet you he was playing these mountains over here. I'll bet you
Trying to call me a kid.
100%.
Tell my mom. Tell my mom you called me a kid.
They have places that you can sit on lounges and relax.
I wonder who they buried under that mound.
Gosh, really?
It's the ghost of Clearwater Florida.
Oh, and they have a kiddies play area over here. See,
So
I
if
think
somebody visits Clearwater, they can come down here. It's
I'm-
open to the public.
this is totally free. You didn't pay a penny, not even to park. But I do see that the parking around here
It's sparse.
is kind of sparse. But there was parking back here though.
Oh
You
my
see?
goodness. Why are these ones when I was little? Man, I'd had a field day in there. Now that is a playground.
Kids
a play area.
play area. Splash pad. Bay overlook. Let's see.
You can have your kids play and get them ready for the Olympics, for like Ultimate Warrior. It's like an obstacle course in that thing.
You gotta watch where you're walking. And you see these little
You almost tripped over one, didn't you?
these little red things sticking up out the ground. I did trip on that.
You tripped on one.
Only me. Only me. But this is really cool. It lights up.
Ooh.
I don't know, can you guys see that? This is going to be very cool to look
wonder if
at
they
at
have them at night.
nighttime.
Yeah,
They
it's
probably
like-
do. Look,
Smart.
can you guys see that?
If you're trying to get away from the heat.
Look. Whoa! That is so amazing!
So
Yay!
there's another parking area over there.
Yeah, we should have parked over there. There's some more stuff up over there. Oh, that is so cool. We need to come back down here at nighttime.
So there's
See, told
Couldn't
you
help
my
myself.
husband was going to go in there.
couldn't help myself.
I told you guys he was going to go in there.
I am not
And
a
now,
kid.
now that he is soaking wet, and he doesn't even have sweatpants on.
Hey, I dodged half of them.
So, said you that is drenched. I hope you have towels in your car. You have
Probably.
towels in your car.
Thanks. Hey, it's hot enough out here. I'll dry out before I get back. Sun's gonna beam down and dry me off.
I'm not sure what they're gonna do with this area, but
Put vendors,
hopefully they'll have
possibly food trucks.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Food trucks and vendors. They've made it look really nice though.
See, watch. See, feel that.
You weren't even wet there.
My booty ain't wet. See,
No, you're wet at the front.
but not in the back. That's the part that gets on the seat. See, that was a preemptive strike. If it rained, I'm already wet.
Oh,
Thinking, man, thinking.
they got plenty of shaded area. I'm gonna walk
Gotta walk
around.
the path.
I'm gonna walk this little path around
Gotta walk
here.
the path.
They have some little seats where you can just sit and chill and look out at the ocean.
Whatever you do, don't go off the path. Oh, it's seashells.
These are all seashells.
R.I.P. to all of the little oysters, the baby oysters that had to die for our walkway. You will be missed.
That's not oysters.
Ooh, loungers.
So these are lounges
Well, I'll be loungers.
and chairs that you can sit under this shaded awning right there. It looks really, really comfortable.
That's nice.
Nice relaxing area. And
That's
they
right.
even have some chairs back here you can sit on. And that's This pathway, yes, you have to move. This looks like a really good walking area. Like you just come and put your headphones in and walk around here. Get your exercise on if you so choose.
Show steps in.
Get your sweat on. And then you can go. You see the fireworks?
What fireworks?
Leftover fireworks.
Where? Oh, yeah.
They had fireworks down here on July 4th.
People was lighting stuff up. I think that was somebody's personal light. Because you only see the
Probably.
one.
No, there was one back there too.
Oh, there's another part.
There's a whole nother part to this. Wow. Wanna walk up there?
Sure.
See what that is?
Mm-hmm.
And walk up the ramp.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have to walk up no stairs. I'm old.
Well, there's some stairs over the other way.
I'm old. I don't need no ramp.
no. Stairs or walkway?
I don't know what these apartments are here. They look kind of fancy. Probably look expensive.
Some of the taller ones, they probably, that's the selling point. A view of the water.
Of the water. Maybe those are condos and not apartments, man. Probably.
Condo.
Yep. You know. People buy them. You know, the condos that they always buy by the water. Oh, over here. I think these are like gonna be fountains or something.
Flow down, slowly flow.
It trickles.
Flow with the flow.
What is it? It's like a. It goes from the big one up there.
The little one.
Oh no, because that's a bigger one and a bigger one. So it
And a
goes
little
from a
one.
little one to a big one.
And a little one. I recognize them. We saw them going in the other way. Go that way.
This is actually around the downtown Clearwater area, which really needed improvements. Because some of it was looking kind of run down.
No before what?
The sky view. No before what?
Okay. Free
Free
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. And the public password is free.
Free
So-
to hack. That's what the password is.
You come here, you get free Wi-Fi whilst you're in this area. And
You got a VPN.
I know, free public Wi-Fi.
Public part. So it starts here, and then it flows underneath to there, and then it goes around to there.
You would think they would have another one here flowing down.
No, it's
But-
probably underneath here.
But I wouldn't let your kids jump in here. The water doesn't look very clean.
Somebody
like they
peed
need
in the
to-
pool.
They look like they need to clean this.
It might be clean, but they color. I would put it. They color it that way just so people wouldn't go in. They were like, "Ooh, I don't want to go in there." It looked like somebody peed in the pool. They did it on purpose. Keep people out of there. They're like, "That's right. So don't stay your butt out of there."
Yeah, we're gonna have to come down here in the evening time to see what it looks like. Because
Better view.
I think they turn all these lights on and stuff.
There are some people that walk or jog across from this side all the way over to that side.
I'm gonna show
and I
you-
say, God bless them, because that looked like a far walk, boy. A far hot walk.
There's an overview of the park. Let's see where you can park over here. We actually parked on a side street on the other side. And the ferry goes from over here. So if you guys can see that. Let me know in the comments down below how good this is, because